Okay, it is mystery box time. Let's see what we got. I'm not sure if this is just one or if this is both, but I ordered 2 mystery boxes that were $19.99. They're supposed to be $50 worth of yarn per mystery box. And opening it up, that answers my question. This is both. There are 2 of these in the package. So let's open it up and see what it is. Okay, so first up is Lion Brand Fusion. It says that there are 109 yards and it is 100% acrylic, a medium 4, machine washable, lay flat to dry. What color is it? It is Flushing Meadows. So it came with 3 of those. And a Pound of Love. Which is a medium 4. Ooh. Comes in 1,020 yards. And the color is straw. Okay. And then a pack of Basic Stitch anti-pilling. It says it is a medium 4. And it is a color of hot pink, and each of the 3 skeins come with 185 yards. Okay, I don't know what the regular price on those are. I'm not sure if that's $50 worth of yarn. $20 definitely, but not sure about 50. Okay, package number 2. Looks like it's going to be the same thing. Okay, so we've got another package of the Lion Brand's Landscape Fusion. So, and it's the same color as the other package, which is fine because, you know, that will give you enough yarn to possibly make something. And another pack of Basic Stitch anti-pilling hot pink. And another pack of Pound of Love in the straw color. So I have 2,040 yards of straw. Pound of Love. That's a lot. So, yeah. Am I excited? Not really. Would I buy it again? I don't know. Maybe one. And then wait a little while, a couple of weeks or so, and another. But then, you know, shipping costs start to add up. But yeah, that was my mystery package. Not quite as exciting as I've seen other people's mystery boxes, but I do think I like this one. I like the colors in this one. And I like natural colors, so maybe I'll get one solid color straw throw out of my 2,040 yards of Pound of Love straw. So, yeah, that's it. Thanks for joining me. I hope this one was less shaky than the last one. I'd appreciate it if you would leave a comment down below in the comment section and give me a thumbs up. All of that helps us out with YouTube's algorithm. And we will see you in the next video.